Good morning, traders. This is Rich with breathingwiththemarkets.com. October 28, 2024. Hopefully you did well this morning. I hit the NASDAQ beast again this morning with using the bid dogs. Let's get into it. As we can see here on Fast Track Trading, the P&L today was positive $6,885, 86 trades, 75% rate. And here's the accounts down below. As you can see down below, it says Monday, October 28, 2024. I hit it hard early in the morning. I not only traded Fast Track Trading, I also traded Apex this morning. I wrote them a letter and they responded. So they say they're basically going to treat me equal, and we'll see what happens with that. Anyways, this is Fast Track Trading at 68.85 for the day. Not too bad to start off on a Monday. Let's go to the next slide. Here's Apex up here. I have 5 Apex accounts right now. They're funded. The total for today minus commissions was $2,750. Again, that's $2,750 just for Apex alone. 100% hit rate. So 100% win rate. So Apex combined $2,750 plus $6,885 comes to, let me see, approximately $9,635 for the day. Not too bad, huh? So I said I was going to size in and the numbers would continue to grow. This is not even with 20 accounts. So let's just pay attention, and you're going to see these days getting bigger and bigger. As I start to trust these prop firms because they have to earn my trust, I will start to increase the account sizes and the accounts. I'm not going to invest my money and not get paid. They have to prove to me that they're going to pay me out, and I will use their money. I will use their money to make more money. But until that happens, I'm just going to be playing it safe, per se, in a sense that I'm not going to overexpose myself and once again not get paid out. They have to prove to me that they're going to pay me out, and then I will invest in them. If they invest in me, I will invest in them. And that's how this works, okay? Same with the broker. The broker must be able to invest in you. If you're a trader and you pump out the numbers, they can just look at your trading history and you say, hey, listen, I want a discount. And if you show that you trade daily and you trade the shit out of a market, they're going to give you a discount. They don't want you to leave. You're going to make them money, okay? So as I keep posting and as I keep showing traders, then traders may or may not go with them. I'm not affiliated at this time with anyone. I could get payouts with affiliates and stuff like that, but I have a different angle that I'm interested in, and it's going to be on my terms. So I don't do well with ultimatums because I know my trading style and I know my ability. So ultimatums aren't going to work with me. I'll just go somewhere else. It's pretty simple. And then I may just end up back on live and say, you know what? Screw it. I'll pay the fees and stuff like that. But I don't believe that's going to happen. I believe once regulation starts in the prop firm industry and everyone's held accountable to the fullest extent, I believe that the real traders, not the gurus that are trying to figure out how to DCA and how to just go in the market with a 50% rate, just buy and sell anywhere. It's going to go up or down, no shit. But the problem they don't tell you is down and how far down is it going to go down, and it's going to end up wicking you out of the market. You got to know where you're at in the market. That's the bottom line. Do you know how to trade? It doesn't matter what you call your strategy. DCA, dollar cost averaging, all that shit is just fucking words, man. It's all words. Do you know where you're at in the market? Can you add a position? Let's keep it simple. Can you add a position when it goes against you? Is it smart to add a position when it goes against you? Not if you don't know where the fuck you're at in the market. There's actually gurus that are actually doing videos trying to explain DCA, and they can't even trade on a 1-minute chart. They just keep adding positions. Like, no shit, it's going to turn sometime. It's a 1-minute chart, but they don't size in because they're scared to death. They don't know how to trade. Look at it. Think logically, okay? Adding 15 positions on a 1-minute chart, that ought to tell you that they probably with a high probability don't know where they're at in the market. Now, a trader that knows where they're at in the market and it gets a deep pullback, that's one thing. But just going in there pressing a button because it's overextended or it's down below in the weeds, that's not trading. That's still gambling, okay? Do you want to become a professional gambler? It's up to you. The gambling mentality. When price is overextended, you take a short. And I'm not saying to do this. Then it gets even more overextended, you take a short on a 1 minute time frame. If you don't know where the hell you're at in the market, it may come down for a little pullback and then run for fucking 200 points. And now what are you going to do? Oh, you use the lowest percentage, use the lowest amount to get in. So are you learning how to trade or are you learning how to gamble? So that position right there, unless you get out of it, it might take you a few days on a 1 minute chart. If you're showing a video that it takes you a few days to get out of a position on a 1 minute chart, you seriously don't know what the fuck you're doing. It takes me 30 seconds to get out of a fucking 1 minute chart. A minute might take me 15 minutes or 7 minutes or 6 minutes to find a position on a 1 minute chart. And then you get out. It should not take anyone on a 1 minute chart a half a day, an hour. An hour is a pretty long time, but you may be down in the weeds and you may be trying to ride it out. I don't know. But you gotta think logically, traders. A daily takes a day to get out. It takes a day, couple days, a week. And if you want to ride it, take a month, depending if you're an investor. You're not a trader if you're leaving it in for weeks and weeks. You can call yourself a trader. That's an investment, right? You're literally investing. You're going to sleep at night, and probably if you don't know what the fuck you're doing, you're not sleeping at night anyways. That's not trading free. You got to learn how to trade with freedom. Freedom is what it's all about. Freedom to speak your mind, freedom to trade how you want, freedom to explain, freedom of expression. I express and use words that I want to use. If someone wants to use all these big words and lingo and sound professional, there's nothing fucking professional about the market. The market is not professional. That shit's manipulated. That shit's fake. The market's fake. When you figured out that the market's fake, once your suit and tie and try to be professional, this thing's going to eat you alive. You got to be tough. You got to know what you're doing. If you want to learn how I trade on a daily basis, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. Again, that's breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you how to navigate through the market. And all you have to do is repeat that, repeat it, and repeat it, and repeat it until you understand that you have the skill. No one can take that away from you. But guessing on highs and lows, entering in because price either goes up and down. I mean, what kind of fucking rocket scientist would say that? No shit, price goes fucking up and down. That's like common sense. Why would you have to keep saying price either goes up and down? Have nobody figured that shit out yet? Or is this person the only one in the world that understands that the market can go up or down? A 6-year-old fucking knows that. Traders that understand and know how to trade can communicate in specific details about the market. Backtesting sucks. Don't follow people that backtest. Anybody can get on a chart and go back in history and wait it out. Or here's another thing. They're not fucking live. They're cherry picking. Who says that they can't go back in time and look at a chart and then decide to make a video and go, oh, I'm going to just pick this pair? They've already basically done their analysis before they even made the video. If you're fucking real, show shit in real time. Show shit after a trading day where it says a date and time. Pick a fucking fake account if you're that fucking great. You're not that great if you can't do that. You can't fake it to make it. It's impossible. Pick it every day. Pick a demo account. Show us your fucking skill, because it's not about the money. It's about the skill. You either have the skill or you don't have the skill. Whether there's $1 million on your entry or whether there's $50 on your entry, the skill doesn't fucking change. Understand that, traders? If you're looking at their money and you're looking about how long they're in the market and oh my God, I'm this fucking intuition and you need all this. You don't fucking need intuition in the market. I'm telling you, you need to act like a fucking robot if you know what you're doing. There's no thing as intuition in the market when you're acting in a methodical, robotic way. It's an objective way. You can't prevent or predict where the market's going to go in that moment in time. But what you do know is where the market is heading because you've been taught to analyze the market and you understand with the high probability what the market is setting up to do. Someone explain that to you? If not, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com and level up. Peace, traders.